What's up, YouTube? What's up? Sorry I've been not uploading in a while. I've been busy. If you checked out my other video, I had the Jeep. It turned out to complete garbage, so I got rid of that. Let's just say the engine was pretty much going at his last breath. It was stupid. Basically, I would have to do an engine rebuild, so I just said fuck that and read it. But anyhow, so I was busy, and this is one of the reasons why I uploaded, because I got me a truck. A nice looking truck. I had a same truck like this, but the bumper was not there. It had a steel bar as a bumper. It had no camper on it. It had a toolbox, but this one is nice looking. So what I got right now is a 2002 F-150 single cab long bed XL by Joe Cooper. So I'm gonna take a good look around. The sun's that way, so sorry if it's glaring. The tires, good tread. Got some little cracks here and there. Got some cracks, but it's nice wheels on it. I believe it's 17-inch wheels. I'm not very sure. Let me get a look at here. These are R16s, so 16-inch wheels all the way around. I took my tag plate off because I don't want people to look at my tag. But here's the back of it. Very nice, clean. Barely see any dinks. This part right here is moving. It's kind of cracked in here. Like it's cracked, but it still opens the door and everything. Got a ding right here because someone was I guess a farmer or something, and used this truck to carry stuff. I cleaned the bed out, so it's not in the best shape, but I don't see any rust. It has some scratches, a lot of scratches. Overall, it's pretty nice. The back bumper is all intact. The has some of that right there. It has some little wear. Can I get it off? Yes, I can. Okay, so there's a big scratch right here. Big marking all along here. But I'm not worried. I'm not worried about that. As long as it runs and drives. It runs and drives like a champ. And so here's the passenger side. It has the manual adjustable mirrors. Typical work truck, but it ain't gonna be a work truck for me. It's gonna be my personal truck. It ain't gonna be meant for work. It is not meant for work for me. No sir. The antenna's really good, intact. Windshield wipers work. The sprayers work. And then the grill. Lights are a little faded, but they can give you a little touch up. I'm gonna take that little white piece off. It's a little ugly on it, so I need to get it off there so don't be sticking out like that. It has a little dent, as you can see, a little dent right here. You can clearly see, but if you look at the whole front, you can barely see it. Number 9, I don't know why. Does this come off? Does this come off? Yes, it does. I might have to take that off. I don't want that on there. I don't know why they did that back in the day. It needs a little clean. I need to wash it. But turn signals work great. It's a 4.2 liter 6-cylinder engine. Good for gas mileage. It gives me about 14, 15 on the highway, 19 to 20. No. 14, 15 in the city, 19, 20 on the highway. So, misuses for words there. Got the little fuel cap. Even got the little security, the security doors, so that way you have to push pressure in just for it to actually open, for you to put fuel in. Now, this is a LEV, which is a low emissions vehicle by Ford Motor Company. This truck is rare. For anybody that don't know, this truck is rare, and I will get to that in a minute. Before I open up to the interior, this whole back part of the truck, all you do is turn this knob and then open it up. This does not hold up, so I'm gonna leave it like that. Comes down, and then this goes up, and then here's the bed. As you see, the camper is held down by some brake pressure thingies. I forgot. I don't know what they're called. But they're being held down by 6 of them. Like I said, bed's not in that good shape. I'm gonna put this down for a second. See, it's not in great shape. It has dents and all that. This right here, I'm gonna get a whole piece from right here all the way down here. This is a whole piece with some bolts. So I'm gonna go get a pull apart and get a whole piece for this and order it or something, because it's dinged up badly, but still works some way. It's missing some screws. I don't know what those two over there do. I don't know what they do. I just got this truck and I liked it, so I'm a Chevy guy, but Ford is okay. These are probably only the Ford products I actually like. Sorry about that, I had to have 2 ends for a second. Hold up for a second. Yeah, I had to shut this right here because it doesn't want to fully latch on, so I am planning on getting a replacement for this whole thing. This whole camper is going to be replaced because I don't like the style of it, but it works. It keeps the bed dry and everything. But the reason why I want to show y'all this truck is rare is because this truck comes with the owner's manual and receipts of when it was bought. And there's a receipt from O'Reilly's in 02, 03. I'm not going to show you them. And there's a maintenance schedule manual in here. As you see, door is in good condition. Roll up windows. Roll up windows. It's hard doing it one hand. Manual locks, and then when you pull the lever, unlocks it. The only way to unlock it from the outside is this key, which is typical for a work truck. Here's the interior. It has a covered seat right here, which is ripping up. I'm planning on replacing it because this came with the truck when I bought it. The reason why this covers right here is there's a little wear and tear on the seat right here. Little wear and tear. That's why it's covered like that, so I don't actually see the seat, because the passenger seat is fine. It's in mint condition. Driver's seat, though, is a bit different story, but still fairly comfortable. Look back here. Little storage area I have. Those are my work boots for work. Those are my vests. I work outside, so even dual speakers back here, over here, and over there. Love it, love it, love it. Ceiling light. Even little hooks to hang clothing. Put a Ford cover on here. I don't want to put this all in because when you push it all the way in, it gets stuck. So you got to get it out. I don't want to push it in again. So I got my own cassette adapter player, because this got a cassette player. So now we can go. Gauge is all fine. Steering wheel is in decent condition. Up here was starting to rip and get some wear on it, so I put this cover on, and I think it looks great. I also have a sunscreen screen, whatever you call those things. It says Ford also, so when sun is shining on the dash, I could just put that on to protect from the interior getting hot, and it shows Ford, which is awesome. So we're gonna turn it on. Yeah. See, that's my cassette. I'm gonna turn that down so that way I don't get copyrighted, but I'm not gonna play it. All I do that. The radio's a little weird. I'm gonna change it, but sometimes I don't want to activate immediately. Adjustable vents, AC and heater works tremendously in this truck. As you see, the interior looks great. Also manual locks, manual mirrors. It's vinyl floors, so I don't have to worry about tear or getting dirty. Easy, just vacuum it. This vehicle, this is why it's rare. 82,910 miles. It's about to hit 83. I got this truck when it was at 81,200 miles. So I've had it for a couple months now. Almost a couple months. I got it about mid-March. Then we're gonna go start it up. Starts up with no problems. Seatbelt light is on, but I'm not gonna put a seatbelt on. It has a bit of a squeaky noise, which I think it's an idle pulley that's going bad. But see, you got your max AC or low AC, panel off, panel and floor and differential and then differential. So windshield wipers work. Yeah, they work tremendously. Got your little compartment. The owner's manual is right there. That black thing, that black booklet is the owner's manual. Even has a key to where it turns on and off that passenger airbag. This light will come on if it's on. If it's off, it's off. So, adjustable vents on every single one. There's fog lights and headlights. This will also, this right here is the indicator which actually adjusts your lights on the dash. So, pretty cool. We got your cruise control. We got your on and off switch for the cruise control. Horn. I'm not gonna honk it because I got neighbors, but it works fine. Got your set, accelerate. We got a coast, which is slow it down. I forgot what this was called. Anybody text me down below what this is for again. But I know this is to accelerate, set, or accelerate. And this is supposed to be to slow down. And it runs flawlessly. It don't make any ticking noises. We got the emergency brake clutch, and then lift this up. Works like a charm. Seat belts work fine too. This is probably have to be replaced because sometimes I don't want to fully buckle in. Got a third passenger buckle for 3 people. But it's not squeaking right now, but it will do it whenever it wants to. It's being picky when it squeaks. But it might be this guy over here. You see that guy right there? It might be that guy. I'm not sure. I replaced the belt on this. I replaced the air filter on it. I changed the coolant out because it was pretty nasty. Oil's fine. Went and cleaned out the carburetor a little bit with the carb cleaner. And runs like a champ otherwise. Oh yeah, and it also has a new fuel filter. But it runs like a champ. Only about almost 83,000 miles, and it runs like a champ. This truck runs way better than my Jeep. Oh yeah, it has a little work light. So that way if it's dark out, that light will shine and you can work on your engine, work on your truck at night. I'm planning on replacing the battery in about a month at most. And then see if I can replace the battery terminals too, because they're a little bit corroded. If y'all know how to remove corrosion without replacing them, please put them in the comments of ideas for me. I would love to try them out. But it works flawlessly. Runs smooth. I'll go ahead and turn on the headlights, and then put on the left turn signal. As you see there, it works properly, and both headlights are on. It also has brights, but I'm not going to put on the brights, but the brights do work. Left turn signal. Left turn signal works on the rear side. Oh yeah, also too, right here, when I open the door, it scrapes this part. This door right here scrapes on this piece of the door of the truck, so it might be a little tight gap to where the door hardly opens a little bit, but it opens. We're going to do the right turn signal. As you see, it still works flawlessly. Right turn signal works. And the rear right turn signal works. Works flawlessly. I am going to keep on looking at those bulbs, looking at those lights to see if they all work, because I could get a ticket for it. And I'm not going to get a damn ticket. For the brights, all you do is push over here, and it just, there you go. It shifts in gear just fine. The pin is a little weird on it. It's a little shifted outwards, but as long as it shifts in gear, it's fine. It shifts gears like a pro. So, where it's right now, it's in park. It's on reverse. It's in reverse. And we're going to neutral. And drive. And then back to second gear, first gear. Overdrive is not working, so it may be a fuse going on there. Some people say it's the wiring in this, but I'm thinking it's a fuse, because it cannot have a wire problem with this low mileage. But besides that, it works great. Cruise control works awesome. Works fine and dandy. This truck is amazing. Let me know in the comments what you thought the miles were on the truck. Let me know your thoughts. Alright, I'm going to show you the passenger door, and then once that's done, there we go. Gotta unlock it. And then once I show you the passenger door, I will go ahead and end this video. So, and even it has a lock for the driver's side also. Big door, storage compartment, which I like, and manual windows once again. See, like I said, lock, unlock, lock. Alright, I'm going to wrap this up. Thanks for watching. This is going to be my truck for for a good 2 to 3 years. And I will see y'all in the next video. Bye!